Make I tell you truth wey people no like hear. If your business no dey scare you small, you dey play too safe o. And safe businesses no dey blow, dem just dey survive. You say you want more money, more customer, more growth, but you still dey do the same thing, the same way, with the same price since last 5 years. My brother, my sister, growth no dey comfort zone, growth dey fear zone. Make we talk real example. Number 1, raising your price more. You wey be barber, you dey charge 500 naira, but your skills don improve. Your shop clean pass before, your customer service sharp, yet you dey fear to move am to 1000 naira. You dey think customers go run. Okay, what if dem no run? What if serious customer respect you more? You earn more without working longer hours. You attract better class clients. Sometimes the fear na the gate to your next income level. Number 2, test one new product. You wey dey sell perfume, only affordable oils. You dey think to add one premium brand, but you dey fear say e go sit for shelf. But what if one corporate guy enter your shop? What if that one bottle gives you profit wey 5 small ones no fit give? If you no test am, you no go know. 3, show your face online. You wey get business, but you dey hide behind product pictures. You no like camera, you dey fear what people go talk. But hear this well, for this generation, people buy people first. The day you show your face confidently fit be the day your sales double. Fear sometimes na signal say breakthrough dey near. 4, approaching bigger clients. You wey get cleaning service, you see hotel, school, hospital, but you tell yourself, I never reach that level, Joe. Who tell you? One proposal fit change your category. Fear no always mean stop. Sometimes e mean upgrade. Nobody dey tell you to gamble your business o. We dey talk about calculated stretch. This week, just do one thing wey dey make you uncomfortable. Increase one price more. Introduce one new offer. Try new marketing style. Message one bigger client. No jump from ground to sky. Just step small outside your comfort zone. Because comfort zone sweet, but e dey keep you average quietly. And average no be your destiny. Read the quote again. Do one thing every day that scares you, by Eleanor Roosevelt. That's the straight MBA with Kapick translation be say, test new products, test new style, raise your price more. If you try and e work, you grow. If you try and e fail, you learn. And for here, we get one formula: fail, learn, stand up. Na so real entrepreneurs dey build o.